Hello everyone. So for today I will be showing you how to restore your PC to a previous state. So let's say your PC has froze, does not work anymore after you installed something, or you want to recover something that you've lost. So what you can do is go to the taskbar, search for restore point. So you will find this create a restore point. Okay, so you will get this window here. So you click on System Restore. Okay, so here it will give you the recommended restore. It will give you the date and time. For me now, this is 2 days ago. Or you can choose a different restore point. So this one, for example, is 2 days ago, and this one is 4 days ago. And you just do next. You can also scan for the affected programs. See if it will give you back your documents or your files or anything like that. And if you want to activate this feature, all you have to do is select one of the drives. I have three for me, and you just click configure and you just turn it on like this. You can increase how much usage to backup, and you can also create it immediately before you do something that you think it will ruin something, and you can go back to it whenever you want. Thank you.